Here's how to connect to a Bluetooth device on iPhone. So the iPhone makes it really easy. As long as the device, the Bluetooth device, is in pairing mode, you just have to follow the instructions for whatever your device is. In this case, it's a pair of headphones, which is always in a pairing mode if it's not connected to something else. That's kind of the headphones I have. So I would go into settings and then go to Bluetooth. Inside of Bluetooth, make sure it's on, of course. It's going to look for devices down here. And once you see the device, it might take a second to pop up. All you have to do is tap on it. So these Impal Flame Light headphones are the headphones that I'm connecting to. That's the Bluetooth device. So I tapped on it and now it's connected. I can manage that connection with the icon right there. I can change the name of it. I can look at the device type. I can change the device type, call it headphones or whatnot. And then I can also disconnect from it or forget the device. Disconnecting means your iPhone will remember the device, and if it's there ready to connect, it's going to connect to it. But disconnecting means you're just going to break that connection, but it's still going to remember the device. Forgetting it means you're kind of removing that device from that iPhone. That iPhone's not going to connect to it automatically again. It's going to show up as if it's something new in this list down here instead of your My Devices section. That is how you can connect to a Bluetooth device on iPhone.